Madeline. I am studying UKG Row section of Red Bus School. Blood is red in color. Blood flows through our body. Blood gives oxygen and food to all parts of the body. Donate blood to help and save the sick people. Thank you. Hi, my name is Vantika. I am studying in UKG Row section of private school. Strawberry is a bright red color fruit. Strawberry is in vitamin C. Strawberry good for our heart. Strawberry good for our skin. Thank you. My name is Magalini. I studying in UKG Road section of private school. Is a healthy, tasty fruit. Dragon fruit is vitamin. Thank you. Hi, my name is Bhavayani. I'm studying in UKG Row section of private school. This is a bright vegetable. Vitamin A, C. Tomato help in improve digestion. Thank you.